In today's video, I'll show you how to use Custom Cursor for Chrome, a fun and easy extension that lets you personalize your mouse pointer with hundreds of cool designs. Click on the Custom Cursor icon from the toolbar. A small panel will appear showing different cursor styles. Scroll through the list and click on the cursor you like, and boom, your mouse pointer instantly changes to the new design. You can switch between styles anytime you want, right from this menu. If you want even more designs, click More Cursors at the bottom of the extension window. This will take you to the Custom Cursor website, where you'll find hundreds of free packs, from gaming and movies to cute, animated cursors. Click Add, and that pack will automatically appear in your extension's cursor list. To change the cursor size, click the icon inside the extension. Use the slider to make your cursor smaller or larger, depending on what you prefer. If you ever want to go back to the normal mouse pointer, just click Default Cursor from the same menu, and everything will return to normal instantly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.